Hi, my name is Dr. Fitz, and you're watching another episode of Fitz Wildlife Adventures. Thank you for joining me on another wonderful adventure. Usually I tell you that it's a beautiful day out here, and it still is, kind of. But it did rain earlier. It rained kind of hard earlier. We do live in South Florida, right? Where it rains a lot. And some parts do actually get flooded. But when it rains, us humans, we try to find shelter, in a house, in a car, in a building. For animals, when it rains, some of them try to find shelter also, like under a car or part of a building and stuff. But some animals actually don't mind the rain. For example, rainforests. What is a rainforest? Rainforests are basically parts of the earth where it basically rains almost all the time. And you have a wide diversity of life over there. There are so many species that haven't been discovered yet that actually lives in the rainforest. I mean, it's literally like a different world. Countries like Costa Rica has rainforests, parts of South America, So it's very, very awesome. And you find a variety of life that haven't been discovered, from types of bugs, types of snakes, types of birds. Man, when I was walking through the woods, I noticed something moving, and then when I looked, I couldn't believe my eyes. It was a lizard. It was a brown ano, lizard. It's a type of lizard. His tail got stuck on a spider's web. And the web belongs to what we call a banana spider, which are these very, very long body spiders, found in South Florida. And the thing about this is that the way spiders hunt, most spiders hunt, as you know, they spin these huge webs, and then once a bug or animal gets stuck in it, the animal tries to get out. That vibration signals to the spider that they have something on the web, and the spider usually comes down, wraps it up with silk and stuff like that, and then eats it. So this lizard, time's a wasting, because eventually it might get eaten. So I actually managed to catch this on film. Check this out. There's a lizard that's stuck on a spider web. Her tail is actually stuck on the spider web. And he was just fighting to get out. Lizard's right there. Spider is right there. Lizard is still alive, and every time it moves, it sends vibrations up the web, and then the spider usually tries to, go to that actual spot. He's not doing any much movement right now. This lizard is trying to preserve energy, but he's definitely stuck. There he goes. See, his tail is stuck in the web. It's a baby brown ano. I don't know how he's gonna get out of this one. That goes to show you how strong the web is, that even this lizard can't shake it. Again, here's the owner of the web right there. It's a golden orb weaver or banana spider. So chances are this lizard is gonna become lunch or dinner soon. Wow, wasn't that crazy or what? It's very rarely that I've actually ever seen a lizard get stuck in a spider web before. I've seen bugs get stuck in webs before, but I don't think I've ever seen a lizard get stuck. And only the tail was stuck. So, like I said, usually once the spider feels the vibration on the web, usually will come down and start eating their prey. So I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen to that lizard, but hopefully he'll be able to get out, or she.